Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a healthy day in the life. So I kind of just got up and I'm going to a workout class right now. I didn't really get any good workouts in this week, so I figured I'd book a class and get a good workout in to start the day. I'm also planning on grabbing some food at this brand new place here in Halifax after the workout. They've invited me to check out the new space and grab they have like bowls and fresh cold pressed juices, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, a few more things. I think we're gonna grocery shop. So a few of you have been asking for a grocery haul, so I'll show you what I get, what I meal prep, and yeah, whatever else I get up to today. This is what I'm wearing for my workout. I'm just wearing pretty much my two favorite pieces from Lulu, the Aligns in black and then the Ebb to Flow bra.
I'm so good at pretending, keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending, spending time like it was going backwards. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down, diving deeper in the books that we read blind, breathing in and breathing out to get smarter, not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright.
Hey guys, so I just got back from the workout and going to Sprout Therapy, which is where I got that salad, and I got a juice as well, and it was really good. Or it wasn't really a salad, it was more like a bowl, but had a lot of kale in it, so should count as a salad. Got some treats from there as well. I'm currently demolishing this brownie. But yeah, now I want to make a grocery list so I can go get some groceries, do a little mini meal prep for the week. I'm thinking egg roll in a bowl. It's like one of my favorite dishes and it's so easy to make. I want to like bake some spaghetti squash and then make my creamy bolognese that was actually in the 3-day reset. That's the video that I uploaded last week, so be like I think 2 videos by the time this video will be up. And then just ingredients for nourish bowls for lunch, and then a few things for like snacks. So yeah, I'm just making the grocery list now. As always, I always like put things in the way that like the grocery store is, so I know which grocery store I'm going to and where things are located, so I can, it's just like, I don't know, I always do this and I feel like it just makes it so much easier. So I will do that and then I'll show you guys what I got. All right, back from groceries, and I did have a request to film a grocery haul, so I figured I'd show you guys what I got. My cat's also already like trying to figure out what's in there. But if you want me to do a specific type of haul, like a grocery haul, please let me know in the comments down below and I can do that. I know I already have like a Costco grocery haul with all like my favorite products from there, and it is filmed in a Costco in Canada, but you guys in the US pretty much have like all the products that we have plus more, so it's good for like Canadian and American Costco. But anyways, let's go over what I got. I didn't like fully meal plan for the week, but I picked 2 dinners as I told you guys and a lunch. My lunch is pretty much always like nourish bowls, so I just kind of switch up the ingredients that I put in there. So I got some mushrooms. I went a bit lazy. I got like them already chopped up. That's gonna go in the bolognese, and also I decided we're gonna have pizza for dinner tonight, so that's gonna go on there as well. And we got from the butcher shop, they sell like some local products. So there's like a little pizzeria, I guess, a pizza shop just across the street from them, and they sell their sauce. So we picked that up. And then sweet potatoes, gonna roast these and put in the nourish bowls. Got some apples for snacks. I like cutting those up and dipping them in almond butter. red onions. That's gonna go on top of the egg roll in a bowl. And then I got some meat. So I try to get my meat as much as possible from the butcher shop because I can get pasture-raised pork and grass-fed beef. So I got some ground pork here. That's gonna go in the egg roll in a bowl. And then I got the beef here, and that's gonna go in the bolognese. So that was one bag. Now the second bag. Got some kale. I'm gonna make a kale Caesar salad on the side with the pizza tonight. Then I have some chocolate because, you know, I always like to have chocolate in the house. I kind of switch it up, but I usually always go for like a dark chocolate just because I honestly find milk chocolate sometimes too sweet. And yeah, just switch it up. This one is a roasted almond. Anything with like salt or nuts like almonds, hazelnuts, and chocolate is my favorite. Got some greens. Organic greens already all like washed and chopped. Part of like eating healthy is just to make it easier for you. So there are things like the mushrooms that are already sliced and the greens that are already washed and chopped. Like that makes my life easier when I'm trying to eat healthy. So I don't mind like paying a little bit extra for it. I got some tomato paste and coconut milk. Both of these are for the bolognese. You can get the bolognese recipe in the 3-day gut reset. It's linked down in my bio. And then the recipe for the egg roll in a bowl will be also, I'll just put it in the description box, like I'll type it out. So I never used to do this, and then that's just been a major hack. So I love like an egg roll in a bowl dish. I love my recipe, it's so good. But I used to like get ahead of like green cabbage, purple cabbage, shred it, and then shred some carrots to make like the base of it. And I realized like coleslaw is like literally that. So now I get these packs of coleslaw that are already done, and it's literally red cabbage, green cabbage, and carrots. That's all that's in there, and it's already done for you, and this thing's like $2. So the egg roll in a bowl, like you have no reasons not to like want to meal prep. Like it's literally just like put the ground pork, put the coleslaw in. I add these. Again, a lot of convenience like happening in this grocery haul, but that's just like one of my tips. If you want to eat healthy, just like make it easy and simple. These shredded carrots. Another thing that I used to do all the time is just like shred a carrot. I know it's not that hard, but it's still an extra step. And especially if you are busy, then this is great. So this, I will add it in the Nourish bowls, and I'm gonna add more of it in here because there's not like a ton of carrots in here. It's mainly cabbage. Then I got some avocados. Avocados are great for Nourish bowls. And the other day, like I just had half an avocado and I sprinkled it with salt and I had it as a snack. It was actually really good and satisfying. So I may try to like do that more often. I don't know, we'll see. And then another like convenient thing, not the healthiest. This definitely has like a lot of industrial oils on it, I'm sure. It's probably best I don't even look at the ingredients, but we're gonna use this chicken for the pizza tonight. So again, convenient. And then cat food. I get that if anyone's interested in this, probably not. I get Wesley. These ones, they're just convenient to get because they're right at the grocery store that I go to, and they are grain-free. So he does eat like a complete grain-free diet. So he is the ultimate paleo cat. That was my grocery haul. I really hope you enjoyed that. I wanted to show you guys the meal prep, but I realized it's so gloomy out and the lighting will be so off. You can already see like the yellow happening here. It would be just like that times a million over my kitchen because I would have to have like all the lights on so you can see anything. But I will, as I mentioned, I will leave the egg roll in a bowl recipe in the description box so you can just grab that. And then the bolognese is in the 3-day gut reset, which I highly recommend checking out. There's that recipe and a ton more awesome recipes, so it's free, so why not watch the video. I highly recommend watching the video first. I will link it down below, and then just grab the free PDF that goes with it. So I think that's it. I hope you really enjoyed this. I know this is going to be a little bit of a shorter vlog, but let me know if you enjoy these, and if you do, then I can put like more time and effort in making them a little bit longer. So I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.